Corn is one of the most widely consumed grains in the world. It is a staple food in many countries, and for good reason. Corn is rich in essential nutrients that are important for maintaining good health. In this video, we will explore the nutritional benefits of eating corn, and why it should be included in your diet. Firstly, corn is a great source of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the body's primary source of energy, and corn is an excellent source of complex carbohydrates. Complex carbohydrates take longer to digest, which means they provide sustained energy for longer periods of time. This makes corn an ideal food for athletes and individuals who need long-lasting energy. In addition to providing energy, corn is also rich in fiber. Fiber is important for maintaining a healthy digestive system. It helps to regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. It also helps to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Corn contains both soluble and insoluble fiber, making it a great food for maintaining good digestive health. Corn is also a good source of protein. While it may not contain as much protein as other grains such as quinoa or amaranth, it still provides a significant amount of this essential nutrient. Protein is important for building and repairing tissues in the body, and is essential for maintaining good muscle mass. Corn also contains a wide range of vitamins and minerals. It is a good source of vitamin C, which is important for maintaining a healthy immune system. It also contains vitamin A, which is important for maintaining good vision. Corn also contains a range of B vitamins, including thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, and folate. These vitamins are important for maintaining good energy levels and overall health. In terms of minerals, corn is a good source of potassium, magnesium, and phosphorus. These minerals are important for maintaining good bone health, as well as regulating blood pressure and maintaining a healthy heart. Finally, corn is a great food for weight management. It is low in fat and calories, which makes it an ideal food for individuals who are looking to lose weight. It is also a satisfying food, which means it can help to reduce hunger and prevent overeating. In conclusion, corn is a nutrient-rich food that should be included in your diet. It is a great source of carbohydrates, fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. It is also low in fat and calories, making it an ideal food for weight management. So, the next time you are looking for a nutritious and satisfying meal, consider adding some corn to your plate.